A swift forest spirit now stood trapped inside a palace.
One taste of sweetness had stolen its wild, fearless freedom.
But the trap was crafted by someone the deer trusted. Long ago, a sacred city thrived under a powerful king. Beyond the palace lay a lush garden filled with secrets. Each dawn, a wind-swift creature entered silently, grazing before vanishing.
It fled instantly whenever even a shadow of humans appeared.
From his balcony, the ruler noticed the rare, graceful visitor.
He summoned the quiet caretaker, who knew every hidden path. A simple request sparked a plan built on sweetness.
With honey in hand, the caretaker returned to the garden.
He coated tender grass where the swift visitor usually grazed. Soon, the wind creature returned, drawn by an unfamiliar sweetness. One taste changed everything. The creature lingered longer than before.
The caretaker watched quietly, knowing desire had planted its seed.
Day after day, sweetness kept the creature returning to same spot. It stopped wandering elsewhere, loyal only to the honeyed grass. The caretaker slowly allowed himself to be seen nearby. At first, the creature bolted, fear overpowering its craving. Yet sweetness returned it again, slowly dulling its cautious instincts. Slowly, distance between hunter and creature shrank with each feeding. Fear softened, replaced by habit and the lure of sweetness. Soon, it no longer fled at the caretaker's silent presence. One day, the creature ate directly from the offered hand. Desire had fully conquered caution. The final step awaited quietly. At dawn, the caretaker prepared a path leading toward the palace. He scattered sweetness along each step of the woven trail. With a sack over shoulder, he walked backward toward waiting gates. The wind creature followed, eyes fixed only on the next taste. Step by step, freedom faded as the palace drew closer.
The creature crossed the gate, still trusting the trail of sweetness. At once, the gates thundered shut behind its slender form. The creature froze, sensing too late the loss of escape. The ruler descended, astonished by the gentle, captive wind creature. He marveled at how Craving had chained such a swift spirit. Yet compassion stirred. The ruler chose wisdom over needless possession. He ordered the gates opened, allowing freedom to return gently.
The creature dashed outward, reclaiming forests and wind once more. Even the swift fall captive when craving quietly rules their minds. Master desire early, or it will gently master your freedom.